Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to publish your app on Play Store. That is how to upload or publish your app on Google Play Store. So now I'm going to select my developer account. Don't forget, in the previous video I explained how you can become a Google developer, how you can create the account. So once the account is successfully created, so this is what it will bring. It will bring the name that you use as the developer, or the name you entered while filling the form. Now I'm going to click in this developer account, and the Google Play console will load. So then we'll start the process. Now the first step is to click on create app. Click on create app. So now you enter the app name. Okay, the app name I'll be using is LifeScourse as an example. So the name of your app must be the same name that you used to build it in AppGracer or any other website you used to build your app. It must be the same name. This is how your app will appear on Google Play. It should be concise. That is, it should not be the wordings must not be too much, and it must not include price, rank, any emoji, that is any stickers or repetitive symbols. So the default language, I leave it as English, United States. Now you say app or game. Is it an app? Is it a game? So since it's an app, it's not a game. So I click on app. Is it free or paid? I click on free. Most apps are free on Play Store. If it's paid, that means before the person can install it, the person have to pay using his or her credit card or debit card, and Google will automatically credit the app owner also. Now, but even though it is free, there's another way you can monetize the app. So even though the app is free, you can still make money from it. You understand? So after that, you can see what they wrote. You can edit this until you publish your app. Once you have published, you can change a free app to paid. Developer program policies. So if you create any app that contains violence content, or maybe sexual content, Google may ban the app later. So they have policies. You can click on that developer program policies in blue to read about their policies. So you click on the accept US export laws also, and you click on create app. So it is loading. You wait for it to load. So it's going to take us to the dashboard where we're going to begin the process of publishing. So still loading. Okay, get started setting up your app. While you are getting when you are getting set up, the dashboard shows you what you need to do to get your app up and running. This includes recommendation on how to manage text and promote your app. Once you have completed the task, come back here to explore what else you can do. So skip the test, skip the testing, skip the testing. Don't do anything on this testing, just skip it. Now go to the first place you go is set up your app. Set up your app, and you click on view task. Click on this view tasks, and the first thing is app access. So click on it and let's start. So all functionality is available without special access. Click on it. Click on save. So what's the next thing? You click on this arrow to go back so that you can move to the next task. So let's move to the next task now. So you go back to the set up your app. You can see 1 of 7 complete. So I'm going to click on ads. Does your app contain adverts? Yes, my app contains advert. No, my app contains advert. So since I want to monetize the app, I'm going to click yes. I click on save. Then I go back to dashboard. So I go back to the setup. So the next is content rating. So I click on content rating. Then I click on start questionnaire, where I'm going to answer some questions under the content ratings. So now it's asking for email address. So I put the email address. So the next is to choose a category. So which category is your app? Is it reference news or educational? Is it a social network? Is it a blog? Is it a consumer store? Is it a content aggregator? So you have to be careful. You have to choose the right category. So if it's reference news or educational, like if your app is about news, it's about education, about online course, you choose that first category. So if it is a social media networks like SMS, WhatsApp, Skype, Facebook, Messenger, so you can choose this social networking. But if it is video producers like Netflix, Pandora, iTunes, Amazon, eBay, or those people that produce music or render services, so you click on this content aggregator. So this one is about entertainment. It's about sports. So I'm going to click on reference news or educational. Since it's about sports, it's live score. So I click on this reference news or educational. Then I click on next. Now after that, can the app contain violent material? No. Sexuality? No. Offensive language? No. Controlled substance? Illegal drug? No. Does the app natively allow users to interact with each other? No. If it's a chat app or a messenger app, you have to click yes, where they have to call themselves, chat with themselves. Does the app share the user current physical location? No. So if there is an app that uses location, you can click on yes. Does the app allow users to purchase digital goods? You can click on yes. If the app involves buying of something, so or subscribing to something, so click on save and you click on next. So click on submit. So after that, you click on the dashboard. You moved back to the dashboard. So let's go to the next task under the setup your app. So we are still in 3. The next is target audience. So who are your audience? So you select 13 years plus. Target age 13 years plus. 13 years plus. Policy requirement summary. So yeah, just click on next. Click on no. This is a summary. So you click on save. Then you go back to the dashboard. Okay, so let's continue. So the next is, okay, news app. Is your app a news app? If it's a news app, you click on no, yes. If it's not, you click on no. Then you click on save, and you go back to dashboard. So you move to the next task. Select an app category and provide contact details. So you click on that. That's the store settings. Manage how your app is organized on Google Play and how users can contact you. So that's what you click. App or game is an app. Select category. Education. Okay, not education. Entertainment. Okay, since it's sports. Entertainment. So you enter your email address. Enter your phone number starting with your country code. For example, Nigeria is 234. Leave this website. I will explain that later. I'm going to edit it later, so don't write anything in the website. I'm going to, very important. It's one of the reasons why Google ban app. It's one of the reasons. There are many reasons why Google ban app. So don't put website now. I'm going to explain what you're going to put there. So then you leave this one marked advertise my app outside of Google Play. Leave it. So click on save. So it's submitting now. Then the next thing is to click here. So like then you click on dashboard and you click here to view it. So let me click okay. Okay, we're in 6 of 7. So click on this, set up your store listing. That's the next thing. So app name, live scores, short description. Short description. You can just write a short one. Or you can just write, okay, let me write spot. So this full description, if you look at Google Play Store, so you see that each app comes with about the app. So about the app is the is this it's usually lengthy, so you can see it's lengthy. So but I'm going to write is just small description. Can you see? So this is what we call full description. So you can see the category is productivity, and here you can see that screenshot. These are screenshots. These are screenshots that we are going to upload later. So you can write up to 4,000 words. So let me just write small thing without wasting much of our time. Okay, so graphics, app icon. So now they said the app icon must be, the size must be 512 pixels by 512 pixels. So you know the app icon I use, and okay, you get your app icon also. I've explained that before under the app development. So app icon, if I upload the one I have, let me upload it. Let's see. You see that it won't accept it. I must look for the size. So this is what I want to use for the icon. So let's see if it will accept it. So can you see our image dimensions must be 512 pixels by 512 pixels. So I'm going to give you an app called PixelLab. It's part of, you're going to get it in the course. You see it in the course where you can download it. So PixelLab. So the first thing you will see when you open this PixelLab is new test. Later in the course, you will see where we use PixelLab. So we use PixelLab for graphic design. So later in the course, you will learn more about PixelLab. For now, I just want to use it to reduce the image to 512 by 512. So I click on delete so that the text can go. So then I click on this plus from gallery. Then I choose what I want to reduce, the image I want to work on. So this is the image. And they said 512 by 512. If I click here, that means I've clicked out. If I click on the image, so that means I want to work on the image. So you click on the image, click on this place, then click on image size and 512 by 512. 512. Click OK. So it's set. Then click on this icon, click on transparent and click here, export image, save to gallery. Then I can go back. So now I will click on replace. Now that I've resized it, so it will be accepted now. So the next thing is feature graphics. I'm going to use that also, but the feature graphics says I must use 1024 pixels by 500 pixels. So that means I have to go back. So I don't know why. Okay, because the data is on, that's why the other advert came up. So image size, so they said 1024 for the feature graphics by 500. So I have to export the image, save to gallery. Then I will download this. Okay, I've downloaded it. I'll upload it. You can use another thing for your feature graphic. So what is feature graphics? Feature graphics is the image that help to promote apps in different places on Google Play. In case of cropping, avoid placing text near the edges and center key visuals. So you can see it is accepted. So video. Now, if you look at some app, if you go to Google Play Store, you discover that some app show a video on how the app works. So if you have any video from YouTube, just click on, type it here, type the URL here, the YouTube URL, so that people can click it and watch the video. But if you don't have video, you can just go to screenshots. You can choose phone screenshot, tablet screenshot, but I'm going to be using the phone screenshots. So that one doesn't need, I don't need to edit the images in Pixellab. I'll just upload it. So that means you open the app and make a screenshot of some part of the app, so that users can know what the app is about, or what it contains before downloading. So you can select up to 8, but I'm going to pick only 3. So I click on upload again. Let me upload another one. So let me just upload. Okay, I'm going to upload just 3. Or you can upload 1. You can upload up to 8. You can upload 1. So upload another one. Let me upload another one. The last one. Okay. Just upload 3 to avoid time. We are running out of time. So I leave all this. If I'm using a tablet phone, if you're using tablet phone, a 7-inch tablet phone, then you can use this feature. If it's a 5-inch tablet phone, you see that also. 10-inch. So I don't need those ones. I click on save. So then I move back to dashboard. So I move to the next task. Oh, let me move back to the dashboard. So in the next video, we will continue. In the next video, we'll continue the publishing.